You have mine. Well, I don't have mine.
Are you 21?
I don't have it on me.
Are you 21?
I don't have one with me though. It's not my fault.
Are you 21?
I don't have it on.
Pause right here. This isn't harassment, this is verification. The officer asks the same question repeatedly because legally, age is the switch that turns this from a warning into enforcement. Notice the pressure tactic too, honesty is being offered as the off-ramp. But here's the catch, once lies enter the conversation, everything escalates fast. Would you answer differently in this moment?
On me.
I'm asking you if you're 21. Take it out for me. Who's under 21?
I'm not.
I know somebody is.
No.
So here's the deal. You lie to me, you're going to jail. Simple as that. You're not the first people under 21 to drink alcohol. It's not that big of a deal. So I'm going to ask again, who's under 21?
Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
547.
547.
Open alcohol, pure 60.
The citations open alcohol containers.
Okay.
Okay.
So what's the deal?
It's a $118 fine.
$118 fine.
Yeah, it could be $118 per closed can of alcohol. So I reckon you probably have a lot of closed alcohol. So imagine 118 times all that.
Okay.
Or I could take you to jail. So that's the thing.
Okay.
So here's the thing. If you're going to be honest with me and tell me that who you are, your real age and all that, I won't take you to jail. It's non-criminal. It's a civil citation.
This is a crucial legal distinction most people don't understand, civil citation versus criminal charge. The officer is literally spelling out the roadmap. Be honest. Ticket like a parking violation. Lie. Now you're looking at obstruction and false information, actual crimes. This is one of those rare moments where law enforcement tells you exactly how not to get arrested, and the clock is ticking.
It's a civil ticket. It's like a parking ticket, okay? But if you lie to me about your information, now it's providing false claim to law enforcement, now it's obstructing justice, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. No, my buddy in my fraternity is a police officer in Tennessee.
Cool.
Yeah. But
are you like the lawyer of the group, right? Or?
No.
Okay,
I'm just questioning because my best friend is exactly where you are.
Badge talks about.
That's why I was just like, I mean, we're just trying to.
What'd you say?
Nothing, sir.
What'd you say about the badge? Makes you what?
Said talks a lot.
Talks a lot?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You understand your commitment.
And here comes ego, the silent accelerant. The badge talks a lot. That one sentence changes the temperature instantly. This isn't about free speech, it's about respect during a lawful stop. Officers are trained to spot verbal resistance early because it often predicts physical non-compliance later. This is the moment where control starts slipping.
Yes, sir. I mean, you can say I am. I'm not.
So what can we do to get you out of here?
Excuse me?
Like respectfully, like what
can you do to get me out of here?
Yeah,
like
I can take him to jail, I can take her to jail, and then we'll leave.
But for what?
Sit down. I'm not talking to you. You didn't have alcohol. I addressed him and I'm addressing her. So go away. You can't also vape on the beach. So I'll take that. Thank you.
That's
go
just
away.
not. I can call my mom up right now. You want to call my mom? Call my mom. I get my mom on the phone right now.
You're who?
My mom.
Who's your mom?
My mom. You want to call? You gonna call my mom? You can find out my mom. This is a black.
We're not trying to do all this. We're just trying to figure out what you guys want.
What we want? You're making it like we're bothering you. You're acting like.
But what do you guys want? So
comply with what I'm saying. You're.
Notice how the conversation shifts from what happened to how people are acting. That's not accidental. Policing is as much behavior management as it is law enforcement. The repeated question, what can we do to get out of here? Sounds harmless, but legally, it signals refusal to accept the situation. And that keeps this interaction alive longer than it needs to be.
You're saying, what can I do to get me out? What can we do to get me out of here? No, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. We're not playing these games. Listen to your girl. Shut up. This is Florida. Where are you guys from?
South Carolina.
Yeah, this ain't South Carolina. This is Florida. Let's go.
They're bad. You know, like I said, sir, the bad speaks a lot.
Yeah. This is what it says. Sit down. Can't stand.
No, seriously.
That looks dope. Can you show it to your mom? Yeah,
Sure, she'd be proud.
She'd be very proud.
Sure. You can think of
Okay. I have your ID. Have her come over here. Need my wallet? ID?
Yes.
Okay. What is your first?
You know that shop. 11:29. 1999.
Can I see what you're drinking?
I just don't have it. I do have my ID on me. I know it's not okay here though.
Okay.
It is a vodka seltzer.
Yeah, can't be doing all alone.
$5.
Do you have any more property?
Stop.
I'll find over here.
He's going down. He's got a phone, he's got a wallet. I made it very clear when I walked up what the consequences were.
Yeah.
You want to play listen. It's actually funny because scientifically, females mature more than males, and it's actually true in this scenario. I got two girls, stopped for the same thing, and they're being respectful and nice, not giving me issues. I got guys argue with me, what can we do to get you out of here? I'm not playing that game. Okay? So I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to them. I asked if he has any property or stuff that needs to go with him to jail. Okay? If there's not, go away, let me deal with them, and then we'll continue on.
Find you later. You'll be alright. It's the golf. It's the goal post.
The other problem.
Who's the golf?
The other problem is I can't identify you without ID. So that's fine. So you're detained. You can say you're John Smith.
This is textbook detention law. No ID means no immediate verification, and no verification means you're staying put. You can claim any name you want, and the officer knows it. That's why cuffs come out before charges are finalized. Important reminder, handcuffs don't always mean arrest, but they always mean control has shifted.
You know what I'm saying? So.
You'll be alright.
I don't even have my finger. It's at the house in Orlando.
You asked for it. You definitely did.
You can't be a sender, bro.
You have handcuffs on?
Yeah.
For real?
Are they comfortable?
The people who flip out about them.
They didn't tighten it up too much.
You should have shut your mouth. That's what happened.
I told you. Mama would beat your ass.
You want to flinch?
She would beat your butt.
You do? Here, Bella, can you move out a little bit? Get the...
But guys, it's not that funny. Can I go with him? Not with him.
So, is he going to jail? Go there, call somebody. What do we have to do?
Probably pay a fine, get him out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what it
We've
is.
seen
Get a
the
bondsman.
cop.
So he should be out by today.
By today. So do we have to go somewhere and find him?
Just to let you know, so right now he's detained. We're gonna identify him first because he doesn't have ID.
Right.
And then he'll probably go a separate way. He might get a court date. He might go to jail.
So
he
he's
might
not
not.
actually arrested. He's just
He is right now. He's detained.
And here's the brutal summary: alcohol didn't put him in handcuffs, his mouth did. The officer says it plainly because this is a pattern they see every day. The same violation, two different outcomes, based entirely on attitude and compliance. This scene isn't about underage drinking anymore, it's a case study in escalation. Remember this next time you think arguing helps.
Detained right now,
Okay.
right?
Just shut up and you'll be
All
fine.
right. Just to let you know, his mouth got him into handcuffs.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
That's what I told him.
Yeah.
We told him that.
You know, Do you really think that we want to waste our time about alcohol out here? In the sun, and my freaking Batman suit.
It's probably a little warmer in there.
Yeah, it's a little warm.
And I know.
Things like this.
It's your job.
I know. It's all for wasting your time.
Ethan.
Hey, Ethan. Hey, for real. Wait, no, for real, just be quiet because you're not under arrest. Just don't even say it.
If I were you guys, I wouldn't even post that picture because you guys are young. So who knows what career choice you guys want to pick later on? And then if they find that might hinder you in the future, you know, pregnancy.
Trust me, I'm trying to tell them that.
Maybe keep that within yourselves and the family. Don't really post it on social media because it's pretty easy to find. Okay?
I just wanted to make fun of them, that's all.
I get it. It's all funny now, but when you guys get older, you'll see it's kind of dumb, you know?
I don't have social media. For real.
I know, surprising you deleted it all.
I understand.
Well, you lied about your name? And date of birth? Girl.
You can't have your phone. It's up to whatever they... Talk to them. I'm not judging.
You're not. Here.
Hey.
I literally said to her, she's going to
Relax. You see these videos online. Just don't talk. You need to really say. You're fine.
I think I've been wrong say there. You got to talk to your lawyer. Okay? I literally asked you 3 times. Are you on?
We were asking, where's your phone in your wallet? And nobody wants to bring it out. Where's your phone at?
I literally gave you every opportunity to be honest with me.
Where's his phone? Yeah, so he can come with them. Yes, we're gonna need that. How much you had to drink? Yeah, pretty decent amount.
Be honest with me.
Yeah, I could tell. Where's your phone at?
And I'd say you're not the first person on the team that got this. It might be my bad. Okay.
We're going to Pinellas County Jail. You'll be allotted 3 phone calls when you get there. And then you...
Like I said before, you're not the first.
They might be able to bond you out before you even get actually put into a cell. So we'll see. And one thing, I'm gonna let you know right now, and don't lie about your name or your date of birth. Okay?
Why is it? Of course, like the one time you need someone to answer their questions. Hello?
Okay.
For right now, yeah. For right now.
It's just
What are inconvenient? Like, we're literally leaving tomorrow.
the thing is,
It's inconvenient.
it's not even just inconvenient. It's like anything. This is like
We're like the most innocent people possible. We drink.
Like, it's just...
We do one thing and that's what gets us. But, okay, so
Like, the thing
I
is,
do have a question.
Yep.
So a lot of people that you see that are very underage who do that, and then you're the one targeted. Is there a reason, or is it just because, you know?
No, it's not a reason. Just to let you know, first and foremost, we don't have enough cops. Second, this is not our first group for today. Okay? So we get that a lot. Third, it just depends on your attitude and how you respond to the cops. If you're giving us attitudes, giving a flip, then most likely you're going to leave like this.
Yeah, of course,
You know,
but
so-
the thing is, is this not just come off as a warning? Is this?
I get you're not.
I know, but sir, like, it's
But
just.
right now, I'm not in charge of this situation.
I know, but you're not saying. It's just. This is just not. It's just not.
It's so traumatizing.
I know.
These poor kids, like, it just kills me.
Okay. Right
Kills me
there.
the most.
I'll sit in the back.
let's just buckle them up.
Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna need you to sit back on this seat right here. I need you to look that way, please and thank you. I got bit once. I don't want to get bit again. Okay.
Oh, I'm not crazy. You serious?
You're gonna catch an elbow. Understand?
Yeah, I deserve it. If I bitch,
I can't help what you do.
That's crazy. You got bits?
Yeah.
Is it like a homeless dude or?
The dude was super drunk. He bit me, so.
It is not.
He
It's
caught an
not
elbow
your
though.
No. What is?
I'd rather get bit than elbowed. I cannot find your phone.
It depends, unless.
Are you
SWAT too?
Yes, sir.
My cousin's SWAT in Westminster. I don't know if you know Maryland at all.
No, I don't really know much about Maryland.
Alright.
get it back for her? I don't want to send her to jail.
You really can't find my phone?
Oh, let this be a lesson learned.
I don't think it's going to be life-ruining, trust me. Just like consequence for the action, right?
Simple ticket, arrest.